Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure Windows 11 is up to date and you're signed into a Microsoft account because widgets require that service. Once done, open Taskbar settings and enable widgets, then restart Windows Explorer to reinitialize the process. Also check your region and language settings so the widget feed can load content. If those are wrong, the service may block data. This gets us started quickly and prepares the system for deeper fixes that follow. Now you'll perform the detailed steps. Run PowerShell as admin to clear the widget cache and restart related services, because stale cache often causes failures. Next, go to Apps and Features, locate widgets and choose Repair, or Reset if repair fails. This reinstalls the app configuration. Make sure Microsoft Edge WebView 2 is installed and up to date, and verify background services like Cortana and Search are running, since widgets rely on these components to fetch and render cards. To finish, sign out and reboot so all changes apply, then sign back into your Microsoft account. That often restores widget content. If problems persist, create a new Windows user profile to determine whether the issue is profile-specific, because corrupted profiles break sync services. As a key troubleshooting tip, run System File Checker and DISM to repair OS integrity. Check Event Viewer for widget or WebView 2 errors to guide next steps. If needed, reinstall the latest Windows feature update.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.